Mind is stupid, mind is rascal, mind is stubborn, mind is disappointed, disobedient. What do you say? Mind is unreliable. Don't rely on your stupid mind. You are relying on your stupid mind, isn't it? You are relying on your stupid mind. You are relying on your stupid mind. All of relying on the stupid mind. Don't rely on the stupid mind. Great rascal. Mind. Yes. Don't. Just keep an eye on it, stupid mind, what it is prompting to me. Yes. Ananta prompting. Yes, stupid mind is prompting. Maharaj, like this. Oh. Yeah. All have become das of your mind. Go das. Yes. And relying, putting faith on your stupid mind. Don't. The stupid mind will cheat you. Cheat you, unreliable, stupid mind. Two-legged hog, understand this thing. Don't rely on stupid mind. That will cheat you. Any moment it will cheat you.